What is everyone, you watching Team Device channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix headphone jack or earphone not working problem in Samsung Galaxy F12 or M12. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix the issue, first of all you just need to go to settings. So let's open settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.